The back 6 glove is for doing Caesar stone or any form of stone bench tops. It's for doing all the finger marks and grime that you get around your drawers and cupboards, which could be 2-pack or any type of kitchen cabinet. Come up crystal shiny clean. And guess what? Afterwards you won't get any finger marks because there's no residue of any detergent or cleaning agent. So the Star Polish cloth, look, it shines up areas, it shines up the chrome in your bathroom, it'll do your mirrors, it's really just a shining up cloth, a finishing off. It's a very thick pile of cloth, so it'll absorb and clean, and it's got very fine loops, but it doesn't catch on your fingers like those cheap ones. The fridge. Well, those rubbers are always very difficult and they get a lot of mould in them. And this is such a flexible little cloth. It's not too big. You can get in and clean the rubbers and clean the stainless steel. Then we have the Ultra cloth. This is the heavy duty grease one. And it fits on your hand very easily, so you can do your range hood, you can do it over top of your cupboards, you can do your pots, your pans, inside your stove. This will absorb all the grease into the fabric. The reason why I like this is it actually gets in to the plug holes, and you can go around all the areas and it picks up all the fat and grime. And then of course, if you're cleaning, you shine it with one of the Star Polish cloths and shine all the moisture off. It's a nano fibre. What actually happens, there's some little prickles which are actually cleaners. And then on the other fibre, it's actually the nano fibre which absorbs the dirt into the fabric. So we have a scrubbing brush and absorber all in one. And it's actually a very easy, light little cloth to manage.